Hi, Diane Phelan here with LATICRETE International, Product Manager for the STONETECH Surface Care line, and I'm here to talk to you about tips and tricks prior to sealing your stone. So first, it's very important to understand the type of stone and know your stone that you're working with. So whether that's a granite or a marble or a different type of stone, understanding that will help to understand the type, how dense it is. So if it's a very dense surface, likely less porous. So that affects also whether or not you need to seal your stone or how many coats you require. So one of the questions I get is, how do you know if you need to seal your stone? Is there anything that you can do? And we like to perform what we call a water test. So here I have a granite, and we're gonna pour some water here. Typically what you wanna do is about 2 to 3 inches in diameter. And what you're looking for is shadowing. So you're gonna leave this on for about 30 minutes. And you're looking for that shadowing. And in this instance, we have a very porous surface. And you could see right away there was shadowing, which tells me you definitely wanna seal that stone immediately to prevent any potential staining. The other piece of this is that you wanna know what kind of surface changes you're looking for if you are looking for a change. So a sealer can either leave the surface as is and not change it, or such as our STONETECH Bulletproof Sealer, which provides maximum stain protection and does not change the look of the surface. We also have enhancing sealers that deepen the color, that rich color of the stone. And then we also have gloss finishing sealers that change the finish of the surface to either a high gloss or a low gloss shine. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, and choose STONETECH for your next project.